This is a staring contest. You win. I give up. Welcome back to the $100,000 challenge. My name is Josh, otherwise known as the man behind the mic. Thank you for joining me today, and this is day 21. And here we go. And remember that day trading is risky, and always use a stop loss if you can. Welcome to Eva Trades, and today I'm trading in a simulator on this $100,000 challenge. I'm up $88,500 in just 21 days. I think I said this is day 21. I meant to say it is day 22. So just to clarify that. And I use the Trade Ideas gap scan software, or not gap scan software. It does have a gap scanner. It's scanning software, but Trade Ideas, great company. They have great scans. They give you the best stocks that are moving up in the market every single morning. And you can, of course, change any parameter you want, so you can pull up any type of stock you want. Enough of that. This is a copy of that gap scanner, just an Excel spreadsheet that I put some of the gappers for the morning in that we can pull off of. HIL is the leading gapper this morning. It's gapping up 62%, but it didn't look very good, so I put that one aside. I do have BWV, BBB, and APRN on this screen right here. On the other screen, to my right, I have FUBO, QNRX, and JCSE. So we have a full slate of stocks today. So I'm going to go ahead and push play and get the market moving. We have 5 minutes to go on this simulated day of August 17th. And welcome again. I'm glad to have you here. So let's start out by marking out some supports and some resistances. I usually do that on the 5-minute time frame. And if you're wondering, I do watch the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the hourly minute. The hourly minute. Yes, the hourly minute. That's right. Okay, so here's a pivot 333 we broke out over, pulling back testing. Well, you can see on the 1 minute down here. So a couple of support levels there to bounce off of. Okay. Nice bounce so far. Look at this descending line. See how the candles we touched, we finally broke through. And then we back tested. Oh, my bad. And then after we broke through, we back tested that level right there and went higher. And we broke through that level. We back tested it, a little bounce, but now breaking down further to the VWAP. And now breaking below the VWAP. So where will we find support? You could look at the 15-minute. Let's see, what do we see here? I'm going to get rid of these lines. That looks better. See how we tried to break right here, failed. So that's an important level. And what is that? What does that look like on the 5 minute? That's the pivot right there. So that's the one that we're currently testing. Kind of. Okay, so there we go. So that's a good level to watch. Bulls want to get over the top of 27, whatever that is, 27.75. High pre-market is 29.97. Nice bounce and follow through over here on BWV. So I've got 2 minutes to go until the bell, so I better hurry and get some of these marked out. Nice pullback here. If you look at the 15 minute on that, So you got an hourly breakout above this level, and then we back tested it, kind of breaking below it a little bit. Not closing below it yet on the 15-minute. But I'm going to get rid of that line. I don't normally keep lines from the larger time frames unless I'm going to play the larger time frame. I try to stick to the time frames I'm playing, which is the 1 and 5 minute. Okay, let's go to the other screen over here real quick. Big ugly candle here. I don't know what's going on with that. That's going to make it difficult to mark out a decent support, but I'm going to just pretend it doesn't exist. Right? Can we do that? Okay. And here we've got trading below the VWAP on this one, finding support down in that area. This one breaking out above the VWAP, breaking back below. I do like QNRX here for a move up. It has consolidated for a while now. We'll see what it gives us when the bell rings. Okay. There's a whole lot of price action this morning. I gotta say, I feel a little maybe overwhelmed, just a little bit. So kind of thinking here I might want to just take it easy. I may not get too punchy right out of the gate. I might just kind of sit back and relax. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Half a minute to go. Look at the larger time frames again. We are bouncing off of 643 on APRN. Got this post-market high from yesterday of 695. All right, there it goes. There it goes. And the market is actually open. Maybe APRN. What was that on the gap scan? APRN. I like the price. It's got a good float and a lot of volume on it. Look at BWV breaking out. Oh, I don't like that you see my charts freezing up a little bit? I hate when that happens. Boy, that makes it difficult to trade. So then I have to look down here at the price ladders to see where the actual price is, see where we're actually trading, because the charts are frozen. And that makes it hard to trade, especially when I rely so heavily on candlestick patterns. $385. Take a trade here. I'm also in a trade over here. I'm going to sell half right there. It's not frozen up over here on this other computer, so coming up to this high of day, or not high of day, but there we go. A little shoot through there. I'm going to sell that. Coming back over here, I'm going to sell half on BWV, and it's going to get me there on the rest, I think. Hit my order. That's nice. So already well over the daily goal. Now that would have been great in the small account yesterday to have had two nice trades like that. So I wonder if we're going to get halted on BWV. So the interesting thing here on BWV is I actually took that trade off of the price ladder. I was watching because the chart was frozen, so I was watching the price ladder, and right now it's at 471. Wow. So I'm going to take a look over here at JCSE. Now I did trade it, made 1400 on it. But look how light the volume is for a stock this cheap. You don't want to see volume that light. So I'm probably not going to trade it again unless I see the volume come in, because that's a nice pullback. But without the volume. It's not worthwhile. 670. Only looking at the price ladder on APRN. I just took a trade based on this pulling back to this pivot level right here. But I only punched the buy order one time. I did end up taking another trade over there when I said I wasn't going to. I know I said I wasn't. Oh, wow, look at this. This is breaking out. You can't see it yet, but I can see it on the price ladder. And APRN, not looking too good. So yeah, I took a trade over here. The volume started coming in right here as this had pulled back. And then I didn't take the trade on the pullback because the volume was really light. But as it started to move up, the volume started coming in. So that's when I jumped in it and made a cool... I don't know how much I made, but I'm up 3,200 on it now. Back over here to BBBY. I like the move. Just we're a little frozen, so it's hard to trade it. I do have to say I heard some thunder outside this morning. So if for some reason this video, man, I really hope that I don't lose power. I'd be like, no. So I did take a loss on APRN, didn't I? Okay. Well, it's unfortunate that the charts are freezing. So APRN failing pretty good here. That was a nice move up through here, but if it can't do any better than that. So BBBY here is actually trading at around $27. It's actually trading down here right now. You wouldn't know that, but look at the price ladder. See the price ladder down here? 27.71. Now look up here where it's showing that it's trading, 29.33. So that's why I don't want to trade it, because it's down here somewhere. But what does the chart pattern look like? I'll just sit and wait for a little bit and see if it'll straighten itself out. So I'm up over $6,000 today, right now. Wow. BBBY, look at that thing, how it made that big move. We'll just sit and wait. You could sing a song. But I can't help falling in love with coffee. Thank you very much. A little Elvis rendition of a song about coffee. This is actually tea. Well, take a look at JCSE here. That's a nice looking candle. It says it's trading at 287. The candle shows that also. I'm gonna buy it for the break. Oh, we got stopped out. That's a bugger. I'll jump back in it. That volume's light again. I wish I would have paid a little more attention, but let's see if we get the break through the high. The volume's light. I'm getting back out, taking another loss on it. I didn't realize when I jumped in it how light the volume was. So giving back some profit, but that's fine. Still up, you know, over 4,000 on the day. BBBY showing that it's making a move here, but it's actually trading down at around $26 according to the price ladder. So which is way down here. So we're like way out of sync on this chart. And look over here at JCSE. I'm glad I jumped out of that. Volume is coming in, but it's red volume. These two trading below the VWAP. Could see a bounce here, and just gotta get more volume. I can't hear it. Now BWV has tons of volume. Okay, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to pause all of the charts. And I'm going to back up the time by just a few seconds. So from 6:38 and 19 seconds to, we'll just say 10 seconds. 6:38. And I'll click go, and then we'll let the charts load. Sometimes this will help reset the buffers for the Thinkorswim server on my end. We'll see. We'll let things kind of load here just a second. Make sure everything is good. Bear with me just a second. Here's something that you can read. Day trading is risky, so drink your whiskey. Don't. Not while you're trading, at least. I guess if that works for you, but I don't think that would work for me. I think I would lose everything. Okay, I think we're just about ready to go. Okay, I'm going to push play, and fingers crossed. Here we go. Oh, I think it worked. 450, 446, 443. Well, it worked for a second. I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to jump in this. I'm long BWV. I'm selling half right there. Can't really see what's going on. But the price ladder down here is showing me 450, 453, 454. Can't see the chart pattern. It hasn't broke yet, so I'm back out. It didn't break. I was looking for an immediate break. Because without, oh, now it's dropping. It's down at 436 in this area. Okay, well, I gave it a shot. Took another trade over here, looking for that break through the high on JCSE. And I am taking my profit right there. So, made back some of that loss. Coming up to 3. Well, I'm up over $6,000 today. That's a pretty good day. Let's take a look here. What was I? I'm at 88,000 overall. So another 6,000 on top of that puts me up at $94,000, which means if I would have a $6,000 day tomorrow, that's $100,000, and that would happen. That would be a span of 23 days. That's pretty incredible. I got a feeling today would be a lot better than what it is if these candles weren't freezing. So I'm going to blame it on the platform. I'm going to blame it on the platform. It's the platform's fault. Anybody want to know what platform this is? It is Thinkorswim. It's free to use. The simulator looks the same as the, I mean, this is the actual platform. This is what you get when you trade real time in the live market. And the simulator looks exactly the same. So take a look over here at JCSE. Now the volume is definitely coming into it. I might not be done yet. I may find a trade I can take here. We have this level, 290, and you also have $3. But we're starting to trend with a higher low and a higher high. So I'm going to look for a pullback on it on the 1 minute time frame. Now, I don't know, maybe it's going to go parabolic on us. But we did just break that line I just put there. That's not that. What is that? That's the daily. Oh, Okay. But that line I just put there was on the hourly, is the post-market of yesterday, post-market high. So we have broken above that now. I just took a trade off of the VWAP over here on BWV, but by the time I sold, took a trade off of here and tried to sell it quick, but I didn't make anything on it at all. That time I did. Oh, was I over there? You couldn't see that. My bad. So I jumped back in it a second time. That time I made some money on it. I made $700. Okay, back over here to JCSE. It's pulling back to 3. Oh, my stop is way too tight on that. I need to widen my stop here. Big red candle. What time is it? Okay. Wow, look at that drop. I'll buy that. And back out again. Bought that big drop. So, giving back profit on that. No longer. So yeah, based on that drop like that, I'm not trading that one again. $36. So that was definitely not. Let's see here. Not expected. Yeah, there we go. So I'm up $5,500. I gave back. Oh, is this correct? I can't tell if that price action is correct or not. Oh, that is too bad. So I got faked out by that candle because it's still locking up. Okay, so that's it for me. I'm going to stop trading right there because I'm getting myself into trouble because these candles are freezing up. So now I'm up only about $3,600 on the day. I'm still well above my daily goal, which is not bad. Now, let me check one more thing here. This one looks like it wants to go, and it's not frozen. As long as it's not frozen up. Let me see. Let me make sure. No, it is. It's frozen up. This isn't the actual price. So, no, unfortunately, I'm getting caught up in this platform issues. So that's going to be it for me. So, hey, 55 or wait, what did I say? $3,600, something like that. That's not too bad. So, thanks for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you'll join me on the next video as well. And good luck in your trading and continue to develop your strategy just like I do here. And you'll do just fine. We'll see you next time. Bye.